not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Sweetest MC. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'm so happy you're here. So excited, I'm all over the place. This is what's supposed to happen. You're supposed to clamp it on just like that, and then it just magnetically holds together, top and bottom, and you're done. So we'll find out if it's really that easy. So it says applying lashes has never been easier. No glue, no magnetic liner or mascara required. You think that's true? Now, if somebody told that to you, would you believe them? I guess I would, and I'd order it too. So here we go. I opened this. My lashes. One of them are damaged. You see these going this way? Oh. Stay. No. Oh. Well, probably when I put it on, it will probably hold. So I got the 2 lash sets that come with the applicator. 1 pair, 2 pair. So the one at the bottom is acting crazy, but we'll see how that turns out. Anyways, all right, let me put it on without liner to see if it works, and then with liner to see if how it looks. Okay, so I got this lash on here. They're very oh, wait. So I actually got 1 pair. This is 1 pair because 1 goes to the bottom, 1 goes to the top. I got 1 pair of lashes. I thought I had 2 pairs of lashes. And didn't it say free gift? Liars. Liars. Okay, so this one will go at the bottom because the magnets are facing upwards. The magnet is facing upwards, so this one will go at the bottom, or maybe the top. Oh, okay. Took me a minute, but I think I got it. It's going to fit inside of here, like that. So this one here is for the bottom. Okay, let me see if I can have you guys see that. You see that? I put the lash here at the bottom because that's the one. My lashes will go that way, bottom. And then this one will be for the top. And again, I gotta go inwards. So let's do it. Let's put it backwards. So basically gotta hold it like this and put it up here like that. You guys see that? Autofocus right there. So these go here at the bottom. Got that? Okay. And then this one here will go at the top. Just like that. Okay. And now I get to put them on. Here goes nothing. Okay. So it works, but I didn't get it on there. I now grasp the concept a whole lot better. So this one here is for the top. Put that one there. Top. See if I could do that without catching my ouch. There we go. Let's get a closer look at this. Let's see what I'd have to say about this. This is very nice. It's actually very nice, but I'm wondering if I have this one on the wrong eye because, okay, this doesn't say right or left, but because there's a such a harsh start, I feel like it should not have such a harsh start. Then again, I don't have eyeliner on, so it works. Feels comfortable. No glue, no liner, the magnetic liner, and you guys see that? Get some more light up on that because my camera be tripping with the lighting. But I forgive you, beautiful camera. Thank you for allowing me to be able to use you and for you to bless me with this opportunity. This is really nice and it's really like natural looking. There we go. Very natural looking. I love it. But what I'm going to do is put it on this side so I could see if it has such a harsh, if it still has such a harsh, look at that. So it's like a sandwich. It kind of like just hugs your lashes basically with the magnets and it just holds together with the magnets. Genius. That's genius. Okay, this way. Yeah, this way. My bad. I had it upside down, but I guess you could just flip it over and it would still work the same. All right, let's try it on this one. Ah, that stuck me in the eye. I didn't get that one on right. Okay. There's a little metal piece here at the end. Ooh, that stuck me in the eye. On this one right here, I don't know if you could see it. Let me put it on my black hand side. See right there at the very end, at the very tip, you see that little metal piece sticking out? That is what stuck me. So I have to cut this off because if not, it'll stick me again. Okay, let's try it on this one. Ouch. You know, it kind of pinched my eyelid. So you gotta get it on there just right. With my hands, I could probably get it better and closer. Let's see. See what happens.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Oh, that is amazing. You see, I did have it on the wrong eye because there's no harsh finish over here. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. Uh-oh. Let me try that again. And if you're new here, don't forget to take this journey with me by hitting that subscribe button. Just makes my eye water. You see that? I'm doing it without the liner right now so that you guys could see how amazing this is. It looks like it's just growing out of my eyelids. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let me put on the next set. This one here is not too damaged. You see? It has that break at the end right there. It's not too bad. It's when I put it up against the other one, it should sit all right. So let's see if that stands true. But as you can see, if I don't get this one right, exactly like I got this one, then you can see they look like two different lashes. So let's get this one right. Bam! Success. Success. I did it. That's what I'm talking about. Look, I could like not have on any makeup and put on these lashes and it looks like I got the most made up lashes. Look at me. No hair and all. My lashes. Oh, these old things. I woke up like this.